Do you haul equipment like this, or maybe like this? Then you'll want to check out this loading option. We are looking at the XDR ramps, one of 4 loading options available on the engineered beam lineup of trailers by Diamond C. These ramps share the same over-center latch hold-down system as our Max ramps. As well, they share the same 2-point hinge and spring combination that makes loading and unloading a breeze. The XDR ramps were specifically designed to haul heavy concentrated equipment. Their space in the middle is left open and void to be able to set a bucket or forks down in for transport mode. The XDR ramps are 24 inches wide by 60 inches long, and they use the same grade 50 high yield material as our engineered beam frames. If you're looking to take your equipment hauling business to the next level, check out the XDR ramps and more at diamondc.com to build your own. Follow us on all the major social channels, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos, and we'll see you on the road.